Greetings, bona bakhulu basekhemu, thobela dikhoshi le dikhoshigadi. We are now 5 days away from our journey to Inzalo Yelanga as we wait to usher the African New Year and officially welcome the sun back into the southern hemisphere, the spring equinox. Hotep. For those who will be journeying with us to the sacred lands, please consider bringing these items along with you. Vegan light nibbles for snacking, a blanket, extra dress wear for weather changes, comfortable shoes, an ancestral kit for those who know their ancestors require certain items, be it a pipe, be it a certain kind of mpepo, be it a certain kind of tobacco. Please be prepared. Candles, matchsticks, and offerings to the sacred energies of all Neta elements and to the ancient gods as well as our ancestors. Aah Vusamazulu. And for those who cannot be with us in person but are with us in spirit, and those all over the diaspora, let us still collectively celebrate the rebirth of the sun, the African New Year. These are new beginnings for all of us, a reset button for all of us. Let's bring out our drums, our djembes, our rainmakers, our whistles, our shakers, our tambourine, our xylophones, all instruments that help you align with your spirit self. Thokozani, Khanya, Liliseti. Also remember, Royals, we will be launching our new website, The Great Empire of Kemet, GEK Movement, hashtag Black Unity, hashtag The Black Economy. We are launching our own app as well. Thokozani, Royals, looking forward to seeing all of you. Hotep.